Welcome. Today we are talking about 5 new skills that every manager must master to stay effective. Times are changing, and what worked for you 10 years ago will no longer be relevant to leading a successful team today. Most new managers rely on personality to lead. But in 2026, personality is not a substitute for technical management systems. Today we are breaking down the 5 specific skills you must master to ensure that your team remains productive and your own stress levels remain manageable. By the end of this video, you will have a literal checklist for modern leadership. Managing a team now means managing a hybrid workforce of humans and artificial intelligence. Orchestration is the ability to map out your team's entire workflow and assign each step to the most efficient agent, whether it is a person or software tool. List every task your team performs weekly. Then label each task as algorithmic, which means repetitive or data heavy, or heuristic, which is creative, emotional, or unpredictable. Deploy AI tools to handle algorithmic tasks, such as meeting transcriptions, initial data analysis, or basic scheduling. This clears 20 to 30% of your team's schedule. Instead of asking a team member to spend 4 hours summarizing client feedback emails, use an LLM to categorize the sentiment and extract the top 3 complaints. You then assign your team member the heuristic task of calling those clients to repair the relationship. Emotional regulation is the psychological ability to maintain a neutral state under pressure. In management, your emotions are contagious. If you are frantic, your team will mirror that anxiety, which leads to cognitive narrowing, where their ability to problem solve actually shrinks. When you receive bad news, wait 5 seconds before speaking. This moves your brain's processing from the reactive amygdala to the logical prefrontal cortex. Use what and how questions instead of why questions. Why did this happen? Sounds like an accusation. Rather say, how can we move the deadline? This sounds like a collaboration. A major software bug is discovered an hour before a launch. Instead of expressing frustration, you state the facts. The launch is delayed. We need a fix for X. Who is available to start on that immediately? Your calm dictates the team's speed. Asynchronous communication means information is exchanged without both parties being present at the same time. This is the only way to scale a team without drowning in meetings. Never hold a meeting to give an update. Write an update in a shared document or record a 2-minute video. Whenever you assign a task asynchronously, you must include 3 things: the deadline, the format, and the goal. Instead of a Monday morning sync meeting, you send a 3-minute video on Sunday evening outlining the week's priorities. Your team watches it when they start the day, allowing them to begin deep work immediately rather than waiting for meeting to end. In 2026, you cannot see your team working in real time. Therefore, you must stop managing activity and start managing outcomes. Trust is not a feeling. It is a byproduct of clear, measurable evidence. For every role, choose one metric that proves that they are doing their job. For a salesperson, it's qualified leads. For a designer, it's approved mock-ups. Tell your team, as long as you hit X metric by Friday, I do not care when or how you work. This gives them autonomy, which is the highest driver of employee retention. An employee wants to work 4 days a week, but put in longer hours. Instead of saying no because you want them available, you agree as long as the output metrics remain identical to their 5-day output. You judge the work, not the clock. The technical skills your team has today will be obsolete in 24 months. A manager's job is no longer just to get work done. but to ensure the team is learning fast enough to remain relevant. Dedicate 10% of your team's weekly hours, 4 hours purely for professional development. Once a month, ask each team member, what is one tool or method that would make your job 20% faster? Provide them with the resources to learn that tool. You notice your marketing lead is struggling with data visualization. You find a 2-hour certification course and explicitly tell them to take Friday afternoon off from their regular tasks to complete it. You are investing in their future speed. Management is a set of hard skills, not a title. If you master AI orchestration, emotional control, async communication, outcome tracking, and coaching, you'll be in the top 1% of leaders in 2026. Thank you for watching, and if you want more practical management tips like these, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment on what your management pain points are and help others to succeed.